Paid $144.94 on all this yarn. So let's do a yarn haul. Okay, so while I was there, everything's 25% off, it looks like. Oh man, so much. It goes all the way down, and then we got these, and it's aisles and aisles and aisles and aisles of this. All right, let's see what we can find. Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here from CarvalhoCrochets. I never use this angle, so like give me feedback. Do you like it? Should I keep it? Should I get rid of it? Like how are we feeling about this? I'm gonna put my feet up because our store is closing. I'm gonna really miss this place. Let's go see what we can see. Joann's is really closing down. Like I looked at the list of 500 stores out of the 800 stores that they're closing down. I live in Maryland, and so I've been to 6 out of the like 12 stores that they're gonna close. And all of the 6 stores that I usually go to are closing down. If you're looking for that list of like what stores are closing down, it's below. So make sure you check it out. And so I was in Philly for the Eagles parade, go Birds. And I was in the Northeast, and the Roosevelt Boulevard one was closing down. So I was like, okay, well, let me go see what they got. Y'all, let me just pull out the receipt so I can embarrass myself real quick. The total, without any, the total was, I paid $144. I saved $44.76. I paid $144.94 on all this yarn. So let's do a yarn haul. Okay, so while I was there, I started to just pick up anything. And then I started to think like, girl, no, like you just picking up anything. Some of the stuff you could get from anywhere. Get stuff that you can only get at Joann's, like your Big Twist, like your Lion brand, like certain Lion brand stuff, and certain just Red Heart stuff. Like get the stuff that you can't get really nowhere else, because is Michael's really selling Red Heart anymore? And I'm not going to Walmart. Okay, whatever. Here's the yarn I got. So I saw this. It's a Super Saver Super Craft Kit. Look at these colors. Is it a cover-up? Hello? Are you a cover-up? Is that what you're telling me? Because I will make something crazy out of like a bra cup and a skirt cover-up with these colors. So I got it. It spoke to me. I stocked up on Favorite Stripe. This is so good. It's so good. It's so pretty. If you know, you know. So I got that. I'm gonna throw all this stuff back in the bag because I need to buy more. Oh, we can make that a video too. I need to buy more shoe boxes so I can add to my yarn closet because I don't have enough room. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Red Heart Granny Square. I like this just to like not make granny squares, even though from what I see the granny squares come out pretty fine. I also got this colorway too. Summertime is coming, baby. But just to like make stuff with it. So yeah, definitely those two. And then we went Big Twist crazy. I saw these and the bralettes. Hello, is it a bralette calling? Yes, thank you. Yeah, beautiful. More Big Twist. Duh. Especially because you know, everything that's going on in the world, like I feel like people who are marginalized need to live out louder. And so yeah, I will be making you some bra cups. I will be making you some bucket hats and fanny packs. Oh, y'all should definitely watch episode 2. It might not have came out yet, but it will soon. Okay. Some more. This one is called Authentic. This is a bra cup. This is like a bralette. My sparkly yarn, this is my favorite. I did a whole 3-piece set with this. 4-piece, because she got a pocketbook later, an envelope clutch later. I really like this yarn, and I love the way it looks. We got some highlighter green, because boho pants. Here's your, for everybody's like, oh, what do you put in your boho pants? You need a highlighter color. Karen, as y'all know, is my favorite person in the whole wide world. I got some more of these Simply Soft. This color is Times Square. Also looks great with boho pants. When you pair it with a solid color, it just makes it look so whimsical because the color change is so consistent and the color change is so quick. Like, you literally purple, pink. Wait. One more color. Hey, don't embarrass me. There you go, pink. It changes so quickly. So yeah, so I absolutely love Times Square. I will not make anything out of just this. It's too thin. Even though it says it's a 4-weight, it's a liar. This is like a 3-weight, and I like to pair it with something in my boho pants. Mind you, my link to buy my boho pattern is also below, so I definitely think y'all should do that. More Big Twist yarn. It's so soft. While I'm not like the biggest fan of Big Twist, I do really like the colorway change and the way it looks on bralettes. It eats down. I got this color. I didn't mean to get this color. This is Varsity Yellow. I got it and I was like, wait, that's not the color that you want. But it's okay because I am making my pattern for the summertime is going to be the Vibes top. So I will be doing a pattern test and I'll likely use this color for the Vibes top. So I got that. A few Omega men have been in my DMs trying to get me to make them bucket hats. So here's the yellow I use for the for guys that's in Omega Sci-Fi. Varsity Gold. This is the color you use. But I had to get a bunch because if 2 guys is already waiting for me to, like, they just need to pay their deposit or pay for their hats. If 2 of them are currently reaching out for me for bucket hats and for beanie hats with the Omega Sci-Fi lettering in it, why would you not get the yarn so that you already have it? So then there's no problem. You're already ready. You get ready to stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. Another boho pant greatness, the mandala ombre. I don't see this in any other store. Walmart, but I'm not going to Walmart, so I got it from Joann's. Yep. And then lastly, well, not lastly, almost lastly, Big Twist. This colorway change is so juicy. It's so beautiful. This is Rainbow Bright. This is a good one. So I got 3 of those. And then, as y'all know, spring collection, still just grabbing stuff. I got some cotton yarn. These 2 blues together look so delicious. This color is Mod Blue. And then this is Dazzle Blue. Yes! Dazzle, like, I want to be dazzled. Dazzle me, babes. So we got these 2. Yay. And then lastly, I saw these at the checkout. This is just 18 by 21 inch fabric. So I got 2 of these. These were $1 because, again, for my spring collection, I'll be adding a lining inside of my bags. And I don't know why I'm making it seem like it's such a big deal, but it is for me because I really just need to evolve. I was saying this in my other video, so I don't need to say it again. So yeah, we'll just keep moving on. But yes, that's what I got. I got all of that. I'm about to put it back in this bag because I need to buy more, I need to buy more boxes so that I can finish adding to my, so I can finish adding to my closet. I need it needs to be taller. I have too much yarn. And I'm going to keep buying yarn because Joanne is going out of business. And that just loops it all back together. Like, why, Joanne? Please. So I'm going to do some research and see if I can find a link that tells me like what are the stores that are not closing? Like, what are the 300 stores that are not closing? If I can find it in time that I post this video, I'll post it below. So yeah, great yarn haul. It was a lot of fun. And y'all got a lot of inside scoop from me from that video. So, you know, you're welcome. Okay, bye. Have a great day.